And
So she went
she went constipated same time. And by the time I give her, I tell her how to use it, she never even want to use it. For it look too suspicious to her. But anyway, she take time, take a little piece and taste it. And when she tastes it, she tell you, say, it feel a bit difference in her body same time before she leave.
Even settle your nerves, you know,
Settle your nerves, you know.
one night
like
me mix some and me no put nothing in it. Just put it on the fridge and just drink it and asleep.
But the first get it, me say, look nasty, and you go.
Remember this fruit? Yeah, it's a Black Sapote, a Mr. fruit I call it. Mr. Mack and Miss Junie introduced us to it, and I shared it with you a little while back. Today, I'm back at their home. I'm checking in. I came to see how they're doing, but also to get feedback from them on what persons are saying after using this miracle fruit, the Mr. fruit, the Black Sapote. I'm gonna share that with you right now. First though, a special shout out to some people. I have that video actually garnered a lot of views. Over 1,500 persons commented, engaged with that video. Today, I want to make a special shout out to all of those persons. Unable to say who they are now, but I want to salute them right now. Listen, if you're new, meaning you're here for the first time, I want to say special welcome to a lot of these videos capturing stuff like these. I call it the real Jamaica, the people of Jamaica, the unusual foods of Jamaica, the herbs of Jamaica, attractions of Jamaica, you name it. And I don't want you to miss any of that. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, for whatever reason, I invite you now to join us. It's free. Just hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you'll just get updated on all my latest videos. Let's go to Black Sapote. Oh, here they are, guys. Mr. Mack and Miss Junie. How to do? Good to be back, man. Good to be back. And after this, the tree is here. Catch it at the end, but we're still grateful. Man. So how was this season?
The season was very great, you know, and it was very nice, you know.
Yeah.
Although we know that really was enough, but anyway, it was very nice.
It was good.
Yes.
You're good.
I was still getting called after it, you know.
Still getting?
Yes,
oh, actually, that's one of the reasons why I came back, you know.
Yes, I get called up to last night.
Last night?
Yes.
I wanted to get the feedback. So that video was very popular.
Yes.
How many? You remember how many people called you?
Well, up to from Canada.
Canada?
I get Canada, America, yes.
Canada, America, anywhere else?
England.
England?
Yeah, we get
people call you from?
Yeah, from England, yes. I'm send it there.
Send it.
Yeah.
You send it here?
Yeah, we send it to Canada and we send it to
How you send it there?
Yeah, Knox worth it.
Oh, not, you mean, well, not for this Jamaica, in the island. Or maybe like DHL, you mean? DHL or FedEx, I want to FedEx.
Yeah, FedEx.
Oh, that's good. They freeze it first?
Yes. We freeze some want it freeze and sometimes like them going up today. And then we just send it fast.
Oh, you send it, then just bring it up.
And some want it green.
Yes.
So like them come down in Jamaica and going up. They carry it like how they want it, and if we send it up, we freeze it.
Oh, nice.
But when they're going out America, they have to cut it out.
You cut it out and put it on.
And freeze it. Yeah, I know there's a requirement.
So I go to Canada, I send it freeze, and I send it just like that.
Lovely. All right. And just like that, guys, this is it here. This is the Black Sapote. We have it on a little plate here. Right under the tree, I asked Mr. Mack and his wife, we're not going to go around. We're just going to stay right under the tree here. So this is almost like an American apple size now, for those who are familiar with that. This is green. This is what it looks like when it's mature. And this is what it looks like when it's mature and ripe. This one is kind of ripe, right? It's a little soft here. Right? So I'm going to ask Mr. Mack. Those of you who are curious about it now. This is one that is just ripe. Pick it off the tree this morning. Yeah, so just cut it and show them, Mr. Mack.
Yeah.
Looks terrible, guys. But that's why they call it the chocolate fruit. It looks like like chocolate there. Right?
Yes.
Right? So this is what it looks like. And this is the flesh that is eaten. It looks horrible, but it looks horrible, but it's highly nutritious. This is what they say has 4 times the vitamin C that is in oranges. You know what that, Mr. Mack, right?
Yes.
By the way, we talk a lot about that guy, the health benefits and stuff in the first video. So listen, if you didn't get a chance to watch that first video, you need to watch it, right? There's a link in the description and there's a link in the card as well. We talk everything about it here, the health benefits, you know, the nutrition and everything. Miss Junie not wasting any time eating it. I'm gonna get her eat again, but it's extremely nutritious, and I want you to see that video. Today though, I want to find out about what the feedback has been like. So you get a lot of calls, you said, both of you, right?
Yes.
And
I get some feedback, you know, that's a lady did a him lupus.
And she come
And
here.
she come here right at my veranda here from St. Elizabeth. And
So she went
she went constipated same time. And by the time I give her, tell her how to use it, she never even want to use it. For it look too suspicious to her. But anyway, she take time, take a little piece and taste it. And when she taste it, she tell me, say, it feel a bit
difference
in her body same time before she leave. And she come back here, and when she come back here, last week.
Oh, she come here, come pick up more?
She called
me back. Come back here, come pick up more.
Where is she from?
St. Elizabeth.
Oh, what a blessing.
I want from Westmoreland.
Manchester, Clarendon.
No, man, Manchester.
Manchester.
Mandeville.
Oh, man. That's lovely, man.
Yes.
So it's helping her. Anybody else? Anybody else?
Yes,
I mean,
we get calls from Canada, so well then we tell them to use it.
And they use it?
Yeah.
And they tell you any other?
Yeah, but me tell them that if they go and drink it for medicine, they cannot just blend it and
just drink it and eat it.
Just eat it like that.
Don't put nothing with it.
Don't put nothing with it?
No.
Okay.
Like any complaint, but like you want it for the natural juice now to drink us.
Yes. You can blend up and
stuff. The body can blend up and
stuff. Yes.
But like you complain, don't put any.
Even settle your nerves, you know.
Settle your nerves, you know.
One night we mix some, I don't put nothing in it. Just put it on the fridge and just drink it and sleep.
I know, I remember from the first video.
Yes, sleep.
Guys, we're talking about this fruit here. And you can go ahead and research it. It's called a Black Sapote. The scientific name is Diospyros nigra. Diospyros nigra. Link on name on screen as well. But it is good for digestion, good for vision, cardio meaning heart issues, weight loss. Almost every single complaint can be addressed with this fruit here. Make sure, if you didn't watch the first video, go ahead and watch it. Because I'm telling you, we're talking now, but everything we talk about was mentioned and more in that video.
This lady used to buy it all the while from it. She never know what she good for, but she just buy it and say, chew it, drink nice. And our little grandson, when he have lupus, all the while can go doctor, he never did better. But when he start drinking, he start feel better. The mother Google this and see what it good for. So up to half of my fridge, me have to carry go sell her when the tree finish. Go the little boy go to the doctor. The doctor asked him, say, what in give him? Tell him, say, he said, medicine, what you give me if you give him, doctor? The doctor said, no, it's something else. And she said, no, it's just that. She never tell the doctor it's what. Just, and the little boy better.
So she eventually tell the doctor though?
No, he don't tell him until now. He said she don't tell her. I say it's the medicine why he give him. Don't tell him.
Okay.
Don't tell him.
But she know.
She knows says it.
Is it
yes,
Black Sapote?
Yes.
Ah boy, another testimony.
Yes.
All right.
She know.
And you sell it. You usually have it in the market.
Yes.
Montego Bay market.
Yes, Montego Bay market.
Yeah. And I remember you said to me, boy, it was moving so well in the beginning there.
Yes, in the beginning.
Boy, I tell you.
It get popular now. For it was in Jamaica a long time, you know, but it since it.
The video. People realize the benefits of it. Wow. Well, we give thanks.
Yes.
And that's what we want to. We want people to know about the health benefits of these things that we have in Jamaica that we take for granted.
Yes.
They used to just look down on this and say, well, it look nasty, man, pecky.
But the first get it, me say look nasty. But after I get too used to it now and get the
understanding of it.
The understanding of it.
You use it. Yeah. Anybody else came to you and tell you about how they use it and it helped Miss Mack?
Yes, I saw a lady from Westmoreland. She said she mix it and just drink it. So one doctor lady, when she buy it, she said she don't take it, make no juice. She just sit down and cool it, put it on her free cooler, and then she just cut and eat. Said just eat. Said she said she don't mix it no time. She just eat it. So.
It's a blessing, man. I want again to salute you guys for that. I mean, for the courage. I mean, I met you in the market, and you were really, from the minute I saw that fruit, it was yuck to me, but then you were willing for us to talk more about it, to come on camera to talk about it, and I really appreciate that. And it sounds like you have touched lives, not just in Jamaica, all over the world, with this, from this one tree here.
Friend in England, you know. I mean, the friend saw me on the video for he's in England, he's a Rasta guy. And he said, he called me on the phone same time. I said, Mark, I see you on the video, man, and I have to get some of that fruit. Up to last week, I got some guys come from neighboring district in Canada and some in England. I have to send up some up to last week, go and give them, man. Up to some.
What a blessing, what a blessing, man.
Then come down and
what
come
a blessing.
for holiday and going up back and
what a blessing.
Freeze some and give them the natural fruit and go.
Now, lovely. Thank you, man, for what you do. I want to tell you, know, I appreciate you guys, what you're doing, and you know, I'm glad that it's working out, you know what I mean, that you're able to share, you know, to share this Black Sapote with the world. And make something from it, you know? But I notice you have your little farm here as usual, Mr. Mack. Can't help, guys, can't help. You know me from me to the farm. So what's going on now with this, Mr. Mack?
String peas, I have string peas and lettuce.
String bean and
lettuce.
String bean or string peas?
String bean.
String bean?
Yes.
String peas?
Yes.
What's the difference?
Well, it's no difference, you know.
I thought it was string bean.
Yeah. You know.
Yeah. Okay, so string and lettuce.
Yes,
okay.
Lettuce.
And over here you have some pop choy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, this is the mint.
And this is the mint, the old time mint.
Yeah, this is Junie, what is the other getting?
Oh, this is a fennel.
Fennel. Good medicine, you know.
And medicine and herb as well.
Yes, and herb.
Oh, we didn't even touch that one, guys. We did a series of medicine and herbs in Jamaica. You need to look at that again. It's in the description, but this is a fennel. I didn't know this is what it looks like, Mr. Mack. So how you use this?
You
just boil it.
Dry
it
like the mint same way and something. Lovely.
Dry or green, you can just.
Yeah, just deal with it. I love your pop chow. Them look good, man. You know, and I have I have a little healing herb here, same way. You have a really good thing here. Lovely. Salute again, guys, to Mr. Mack and his wife. The Black Sapote people. Oh, we did. Remember the apple video that we did in the farm tour?
Yeah.
How is the apple? The apple? You have apple for me?
Yeah.
All right, lovely. All right, we're gonna do. So big up. How the apple doing on the farm though?
Well, you know they ripe out and down. You know,
again.
Yes, for you know.
Yeah.
You only sell it to the local market.
Yes.
You don't have any shipment.
You don't have enough.
So
well.
We
all
just
right.
use it to the local market.
Yeah, we are. Well, we give thanks. We give thanks.
So
all right.
we carry a 3 plate or a 4 plate.
We give thanks. Miss Junie, persons are interested in the Black Sapote. I want to get in touch with you. What's your local phone number?
406 1266.
406 1266. All right. And of course, if you're outside of Jamaica, well, we're not in or outside of Jamaica, guys. You add 876 to that, and you get Miss Junie and her Black Sapote. All right, we give thanks to everything. The rain is coming. A blessing is just a blessing to close off everything.
First couple of days, we don't get any.
Yes, sir. So we give thanks. All right, guys. Yeah.
I had a piece of yam for you, going.
You have a piece of yam for me too?
Going go for it.
All right. So as you can imagine, Mr. Mack and Miss Junie, I come here, so they're not going to allow me to leave without giving me some food. What do you have for me, Miss Mack?
Nice piece of yellow yam.
And we have the red apple.
Red apple, yeah, man. And cane and pop chow. Blessing. I have a small little token for you guys. Not as much as what you are going to give me. But it's very sentimental because of a news I heard recently. You're probably hearing it for the first time. But I did a video recently, a feature on Jamaican curry. I went to Portland and St. Mary. I did a feature there with a gentleman, and I got the sad news a couple of days ago that he passed. Yeah, man. So this is his curry.
Yeah.
This curry, he gave me some. He gave me a few of them, about half a dozen.
Yes.
I'm giving you guys 2 of them.
Okay.
From Mr. Taylor and his wife, Miss Taylor, to the Mack. The Mackenzies, man. Miss Mack and her husband from the Taylor. So all the best. Enjoy it still. It's good curry. It's the best. Trust me, it's the best. All right? Enjoy, man. All right. Good. Yes. That's Miss Junie and Mack and their Black Sapote. 4 times, size for size, 4 times the amount of vitamin C that's in oranges and 500% of the daily vitamin C requirement. And that's just one mineral. It's loaded with a whole bunch more of others, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and so on. You need to check it out if not yet done. But actually, let me know, would you have it? I would love to share it in the comments below. But listen, I mentioned it several times before, but if you have not yet watched the first video, now is the time. It's in the description and it's a link above. Watch it, the Black Sapote, the original video, and the Black Sapote with Mack and Miss Junie. See you in that one.